Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case of seeing my face first time, my name is Shanaya and I make videos about lifestyle, hair and beauty. So in today's video, I'm gonna talking about the most popular and powerful skincare ingredient and skincare products. I shoot in the daytime and the daylights a lot, so I was worried about my skin because UV lights speed up the production of melanin and dark spots and pigmentation happens when skin produces too much melanin. And skincare is something that plays a critical role in my daily life, so I researched, and while doing research, I found out that glycolic acid is the best and most powerful ingredient to reduce dark spots and pigmentation. Glycolic acid is type of alpha hydroxy acid and it helps remove dark spots and pigmentation. It works on the surface by removing dead skin cells and penetrates deeply into your skin to remove melanin buildup cell by cell. It also hydrates your skin and makes your skin bright and smooth. And for the glycolic acid, I like to use L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright range. These are the best and number one glycolic products available in the markets. This glycolic bright range has the cleanser, serum, day cream and night cream. But today I'm going to talk about the glycolic bright serum. So firstly, let's talk about its packaging. It has very nice packaging. It looks so clean and classy with the two-tone effect and it also smells really good. It feels very light on the skin and it's non-sticky and it's absorbed quickly into the skin. It has 1% glycolic acid, perfect for daily use, and it's dermatologically tested and it's effective and gentle. You can start the routine with the cleanser. It gently removes impurities and makes your skin bright and clean. Then you can apply glycolic bright serum on your dry and clean face. You can apply with the dropper directly on your skin. After that, you can apply glycolic bright day cream. Glycolic acid needs to be topped off with the sunscreen always, but you don't need to apply sunscreen after this because this glycolic bright day cream has SPF 17. You can repeat the same step in the night, just replace the day cream with the night one. Here's the final results. You can see it makes my skin very bright, smooth and glowy. This glycolic bright range is enriched with a powerful ingredient glycolic acid and it's great if you are looking for an expert products for dark spots, pigmentation and dull skin. It removes 5 years of dark spots in just 2 weeks. I have seen huge improvement in my skin after using the range. It brightened up my skin and reduced dark spots. Now let's talk about the prices. The glycolic bright cleanser 50 ml at only $179. And the glycolic bright serum available in 2 sizes, 15 ml at only $399 and 30 ml at only $799, and the day cream at only $314 and night cream at only $379. All products are very affordable and perfect for daily use. Glycolic acid is best if you want bright, spotless skin. I highly recommend this range and purchase links I will leave in description box below, so check out there. And I hope this video will help you and hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.